Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in, checking this out. Behind me is a 1969 Mach 1 finished in Indian Fire Red over a black bucket seat interior. This thing has some really unique options. The Marti report's loaded, and in fact, it calls it out to be a one of just one. So we're gonna dive in. I'm gonna show you a little bit more about why this car is so special. And of course, if you're new around here, this is available for purchase. We're a classic car dealer right outside the Motor City here in Michigan. And now for a little condition report from yours truly. Finish on this chrome bumper is fabulous. Look one step below that. That chin splitter, it looks great. No cracks, not warped, doesn't look like it's ever been parked on top of a curb. The lower valance looks awesome. Turn indicator lamps are present downstairs and looks like they have newer lenses. All four of the headlamps up front look beautiful. The grille looks to be new, as is that pony badge. Bright work around the leading edge of the hood and this front mouth, we're gonna call it, around the grille surround. Looks great. Blackout hood treatment is done correctly, and I love that we've got the correct style hood pins in here. Now, everyone loves a shaker hood. I've had plenty of these cars with it. However, very rarely is it ever called out on the Marti report. Whether it was a day 2 install or a dealer install, doesn't make it on the Marti report very often. However, this car has it, and there was just 2 quite like it with the shaker hood. And you break this thing a step down further and add in this funky steering column, and it becomes a one of one in this color with this interior. Still a special car at that. And again, its condition, rarity, all got me excited when we were trying to gather some more cool Mustangs for the shop. This one has its born with engine. It still has a VIN stamp present on the back of the block. Date code and chassis number is all correct. Dual master cylinder, power steering pump up front, very correctly detailed, the right hoses, the right clamps. Obviously this big beautiful shaker. Still has a snorkel on it too, those often go missing. Radiator support looks lovely, proper latch, both horns. Underside of the hood is nicely detailed. The hood hinges themselves are plated properly. This is rather sharp. I'll show you how this closes up. Nice consistent gap, beautiful color on this car, and I bet you in the sun it'd pop even more. It's like a burnt orange. Now, if you want to know, we were riding on a set of BFG Radial tires. They got the raised white letters out, looking good. It's a 225/70 R14. Beautiful fender to door gaps, sport mirror looking sharp. It is a remote mirror and it's working as it should. Great gaps coming into these quarters. Nice and straight body, really consistent paint. Graphics look like they've been laid down expertly. Now, this car spent its whole life in Nebraska. There's no signs of panel replacement on it. It's got a ton of original components, like the drivetrain, the glass. I believe a lot of the trim is even original to the car. You notice these tail lamps even have 1969 date code still in them. Smooth action on the trunk, nice and clean. Trunk compartment, full-size spare. Under the deck lid, we still have a jack instruction sticker. Looks like the seal's been replaced in here recently. So like I just said, Nebraska car its whole life. It has been under the same ownership since 2007, and that's when the car began to be restored. Just a couple thousand miles, according to the previous owner, about 2,000 miles put on the restoration. Smooth action on the door. Door edges are beautiful, original door tag present. These door cards look awesome, and who doesn't love a little wood grain? Seats look beautiful, nicely recovered, and this interior is just how it would have been born. So all restored, of course, but correct colors, the right wood grain, the correct rim below steering wheel. Digging that. We've got some Mach 1 floor mats, but underneath it we have the correct red kick pads for the Mach 1. Carpet kit looks brand new. Instruments look nice. There's 93,000 on the odometer. Speedo runs up to 120. We've got gauges for our voltage, our fuel level, our coolant temp, and oil pressure. And this column is super kick-ass. It's actually a tilt-away, which is quite a rare piece. You hardly ever see them in these cars. So this whole column swings out of the way when you're getting in and out of it. It has its own button in the door to read that. And then of course too, it can also tilt this way. Rather nice. Factory AM Philco radio in the middle, still working. Heater controls downstairs, those work just like they should as well. We've got a Hurst shifter in here with a nice 4-speed ball on it. This looks to be a new dash pad, or new at the time of restoration. Clock over here is spinning around like it should. Glove box, good for holding gloves. Center console, clean, simple, and stock. Nothing cut up. Rear seat backs look awesome. We've got floor mats for everybody, and you also notice we have the red kick pads out back as well. The seat nicely recovered. It is a fold down seat car, which is always fun. We have the factory shoulder belt still present. And these look to be original to the car. I can't read the date code on this one, but it is not new, it is old. Sail panels look nice. Molding around the glass looks good. Seat belts for everybody. Everything you need. If you want to know anything more about this beautiful car, you can call us up at any time at 248-714-2110. Also, too, you can hit us via email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. If you're wondering how we can get a car brought to your door or how we can get you financing, we got all the answers. This is what we do over here at LaFontaine Classics in Milford, Michigan. If you want to come see us, we got the address up on the website, a link to that downstairs, and a link to view the full listing to this beautiful car where we got 100+ pictures usually all the way around it, close-ups of that one-of-one Marti report, close-up pictures up underneath it. Look underneath this car with me. It is so beautiful. The floor pan is untouched. You do not find them like this often. Do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button, like it, share it with your pal, anyone you may know who may look good in an old fastback like this. I got a couple for them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.